Okay guys, here's the deal. I'm going kayaking. I strapped you to the front of my kayak, and we're gonna see what type of cool shots we can get here. So give me a second, we'll be on our way. Sure what this is filming, whether it be all of me or just my chest. But nonetheless. I am filming with the new Kodak PlaySport. You can get it off of Amazon or the Kodak website. And first impressions, very good with the camera. I mean, how many cameras do you know of that I can just go like that too? And I will be dunking this underwater when I get back to the shallows. I am on a kayak right now, and I do have the H2O mode on. I don't know if that makes much more of a difference, but I am going to dunk it in the lake that I'm floating on right now, and we'll see how it works out. So, yeah. Alright, now I have turned the H2O mode off, so let's see if there's any difference as far as quality of seeing anything underwater. Alright. Yes, I just paddled into a tree for you guys. Hope you're happy. Go back underwater. go away. And thus concludes my little kayaking adventure. I'm going to go back to the house, get dried off, and see you another time.